Crypto funds see $1.17 billion in outflows as market volatility and rate uncertainty persist. Cryptocurrency funding inflows. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs led the redemptions, with $1.22 billion and $508 million in outflows respectively. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 12 minutes ago. Institutional appetite for crypto assets weakened again last week as digital asset investment products recorded $1.17 billion in outflows, marking a second consecutive week of losses amid renewed market volatility and macroeconomic uncertainty. Key takeaways. Crypto investment products saw $1.17 billion in outflows, marking a second straight week of institutional withdrawals. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs led the redemptions, with $1.22 billion and $508 million in outflows respectively. Despite heavy institutional selling, Bitcoin briefly rose 4.4% above $106,000. According to the latest fund flow data, trading volumes in exchange-traded products, ETPs, stayed high at $43 billion, though investor sentiment remained fragile following the October 10th liquidity cascade. A brief midweek rebound on optimism over a potential resolution to the U.S. government shutdown quickly faded, triggering another round of withdrawals by Friday. U.S. leads $1.22 billion crypto fund outflows as Bitcoin, Ethereum face heavy selling. The U.S. market accounted for the majority of the losses, with $1.22 billion in outflows, while Germany and Switzerland bucked the trend, recording inflows of $41.3 million and $49.7 million, respectively. Bitcoin remained the focal point of redemptions, suffering $932 million in outflows last week. In contrast, short Bitcoin ETPs saw inflows of $11.8 million, marking their strongest week since May 2025. Ethereum also saw heavy selling, with outflows reaching $438 million. Despite the bearish trend, select altcoins showed resilience. Solana led with $118 million in inflows, bringing its 9-week total to $2.1 billion. Other gainers included HBAR with $26.8 million and Hyperliquid with $4.2 million, underscoring investor interest in emerging blockchain ecosystems even as broader market sentiment remains cautious. As reported, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw massive redemptions last week, with $1.22 billion in net outflows, marking the third-largest weekly withdrawal on record, according to SoSoValue. Friday alone accounted for $558.4 million in outflows, the biggest single-day loss since August, while Ethereum ETFs lost $508 million. The largest redemptions were led by BlackRock's IBIT, followed by Fidelity's FBTC and Grayscale's GBTC funds. Despite the institutional outflows, Bitcoin's price climbed 4.4%, briefly surpassing $106,000, suggesting retail activity and spot demand remain resilient even as large players trim exposure. Factors such as inflation fears, central bank rate hikes, and geopolitical risks have driven risk aversion across markets. Bitcoin rebounds above $106,000 as shutdown optimism lifts risk sentiment. QCP. Optimism over a potential U.S. government shutdown resolution boosted risk sentiment across global markets, with Bitcoin rebounding to $106,000 after several dips below $100,000, according to a new report by QCP Capital. The firm noted that despite ongoing spot ETF outflows and selling from long-term holders, OGs, crypto joined equities in a broad relief rally. Risk reversals also showed fading demand for downside protection, signaling reduced fear of another major liquidation. The report compared the current wave of OG selling to past events like Silk Road and MTGOX distributions, noting that deeper market liquidity has allowed these supply shocks to be absorbed without breaking structural momentum. The firm said digital asset treasuries, DATs, remain a key sentiment driver but have shown limited activity amid tight trading ranges. While Bitcoin's strong rejection of the $100,000 level offers some technical support, QCP expects continued range-bound trading in the medium term. Any push above $118,000 could meet renewed selling from OG wallets unless macro tailwinds and ETF inflows strengthen meaningfully. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility, traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doge. Bitcoin price prediction. JP Morgan predicts $170,000 BTC within 6 months. Is Wall Street buying the dip? Altcoin news. Filecoin FET. Near leads select altcoin season gains as market fear persists. 2 days ago. By Hongji Feng. Industry talk. Best crypto to buy now. November 7th. XRP, Solana, Dogecoin. Altcoin news. Crypto treasuries take a hit as month-long market slump erodes balance sheets. 1 day ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 5 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 days ago. By Ben Beto.